Hi everyone, so Dimitri is here. This is Michael, ArcticAir. This is Dimitri from East Idea. So today we're going to install our air purifier ArcticAir inside the elevator. I'm going to show you the whole process of installation, how easy it is to be done, and the final result. Let's look what we have within the ArcticAir, the ArcticAir purifier. We have the power adapter, we have the bracket as well, which comes with the device, and we brought today only one sample for the air stick for the fragrance and the power adapter. Let's follow me. I will show you how the elevator looks like from inside. So here we're going to put our Arctic elevator part. This elevator has 5 floors, which will be more than enough, and this is a perfect area space to clean the air within the elevator. Elevator guy is doing, actually he's going to bring the elevator half level in order to open the doors and to go on the rooftop of the elevator in order to create the connectivity. This is a power box. So as you can see, all the peripherals of the electricity of the elevator is located on the rooftop. As the next thing, we're going to do the installation inside, okay? We will put the cable on the top. This is the pilot in order to create connectivity for the electric wiring. We prepared the hole within the elevator rooftop on the ceiling in order later on to put the whole wirings inside the elevator rooftop. It looks a bit right now messy, but at the end we will see the results. Before we installing this, first what we need to do, we need to fix the position where we want to fix it, right? Yes. Okay, let's go. Michael is professional, already prepared for the 3M stickers, which are very strong. We're going to put it this way because here we have all the power sockets. We're going to put the bracket inside the machine, right? Yes. Okay, so this is the machine, but first we need to connect the power cable. We're going to put the power cable and we're going to bring the power cable up. Our guy is more professional than us because we work with the elevator. He explained to us how to do it. So this is how we're going to put it, okay? Once it's here, and put the bracket inside and put it up like this. One more thing, you need to stretch a bit the cable this way. And then I would suggest we could put it in the center between these two lines like this. I fix the location, I just press it like this. So in order to stick the device on the surface, we need to clean the anti-rust oil from the surface in order the 3M stick will be attachable to the stainless steel surface. So now it's done. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna plug in within the electric power, and before that we're gonna take our air fragrance and put inside the machine. I'm gonna take this out. This is where we put our fragrance. Actually we already had one, but it's time to replace. So we're gonna put the new one. Smells very good, I like it. And here we have different level of the air flow. So I need to put on the maximum this way and put it back inside the air purifier and click until I hear the click. You just need to collect all the wires, make them together in a beautiful way. You put it back here and we need to put it in our wire. So after we finish everything, we fix, what we need to do, we just need to click one time on the device. And now what device is doing is actually analyzing the air quality inside the machine and it starts to work. So actually the installation of this is ready. After we finish to do the installation, what we need to do, we just need to clean a bit the area to look that this looks nice and beautiful. Let me show you how it looks inside. Follow me. So this is the pure elevator, as you can see. This is our new product, ArcticAir. Right now the smell is very light. The air is very clean. The ion air purifier, which delivers for us nice fragrance inside the elevator and inside the small room areas. And that's it. The ArcticAir in elevator is ready.